Hello there. In this video, I'm showing you how I'm making cryptocurrency using this website. And this website, what exactly they give you work and everything about this website, I'm tell you in very depth. So, before starting this video, I would like to mention the one more thing here is here. That is, you can make crypto from using this website, or if you want to make dollar and withdraw in your account, then you can use alternate payment too, like the Skrill and many more ways to withdraw your any kind of payment method they provide you. I mean, in short, they give you lots of payment method like payment processor. You can, if you have a Neteller, Skrill, Airtime, you can withdraw. If you have a like PayPal, paper check, or if you want to bank transfer, just click on Tipalti. And cryptocurrencies like I'm just clicking here. Currently, they are under construction like this cryptocurrencies. So here the list of that cryptocurrency if you want to withdraw like the BTC, LTC, BCH dash. So I'm already fill up there 80H like the Ethereum, but when I click on here like the same your payment, and if I want to withdraw from Ethereum, so they say like the under maintenance Ethereum is the under maintenance. Please try again later or use different cryptocurrency. So I'm just waiting when it's like done, then I will be withdraw in Ethereum, or maybe I will be withdrawing ATM too. It depends on the my what's my mind in Go. The things are like if I whatever I want. So same in your case, if you want to withdraw like the cryptocurrency or payment processor like this, so you can withdraw from here. So let's dive again the back to the point. The main thing is how this Neobox working. So this website is exactly the PTC website, that is paid to click website. You just need to here and sign up by using your email ID and just click. You can see here the section of that views advertisement. Here the survey games that is not available currently. This feature is not available, but view advertisement they daily provide you like the almost the 9 advertisements to 9 to 10 advertisements, which cost is almost per advertisement it's cost like the 1 penny. So it's not worth it. But how it's working, like you just need to click here the right dot. It will be open in next page. Currently my ad blocker is on, so I just need to close here. If you have ad blocker, then such a message is come and show you like this. Part of the content of the advertisement is being blocked by a browser extension. So you just need to open extension here and just click on that whatever you if you have a ad block. So currently I have a ad block, that's why they're not showing me. So again I'm refreshing this page. So see here is a $13.70, 7 penny. So I'm just clicking here. I need to click here and then again red dot. After the red dot clicking, I'm here. This page is open and see this is the scrolling. So after this O, that's the Neobox O, orange color is completing, and see advertisement validated. Not one were credited in your account. So 1 penny is credited in my account. So same like this, I need to click everything. That is, you need to click every advertisement. So see here, like here the last section here, the 7 penny. I need to just refresh here and see this is the pennies updated here. So same, if you think like this is the not worth it, but the actual game is here where you will be earn more money. Like just completing 15 minutes, you will be got the 37 cents. In 17 minutes, you will be got the 95 cents, almost $1. Here the tremendous survey are available, and that's really worth it. And really, this site is genuine. It's not the scam. It's a genuinely paying since more than 10 years. So if you like this video, then like it. And if you have any query, let me know. Currently my balance is 13.70 cents, $30.70. Minimum withdrawal balance is $2 only via PayPal and cryptocurrency, Netflix and Skrill. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, let me know. Subscribe me. Thank you.